any dog, you need to check if the dog is fit for grooming, health-wise and with the behavior. So first thing, you need to check the dog's temperament. What's the point if the dog doesn't even allow you to groom them? So by doing that, you would just run your hands down from the head down to the dog's tail and applying slight pressure. Normally, if a dog feels uncomfortable of you touching them, they would react. If the dog reacts aggressively, that the dog is not fit to groom, and unfortunately that you need to send the dog home. Now, to check the dog to ensure they are fit before grooming, you need to check their overall behavior. Now, this is Mika. She's an 11-year-old Yorkie. As you can see, she is very docile and just relaxed. So this is a good sign. Then we're going to start and check her eyes by placing your finger at the bottom and at the top of the lid and having a look at the color of her eye. Her eyes are nice and bright. Her pupils are equal size. She has a bit of hardened eye discharge in the eye corners, which we will remove in the tub. Next, we move on to the muzzle. So here we're going to inspect the teeth. As you can see, she's got a lot of plaque built up on her teeth, and some of her teeth has been removed. The color of the gums can indicate a dog's health. When they are blue, it also can indicate to a health issue. The same goes for the tongue, so we need to have a look at the tongue color. It's nice and pink, so that is a good sign that she's nice and healthy. Next, we're going to feel her joints and her spine by running our thumbs on both sides of the spine, down her back, applying slight pressure. Place your fingers over the rib cage, applying pressure, feeling for any lumps, bumps or warts or wounds, and also applying pressure in the abdominal area to ensure she has no pain or bloating or experiencing any bloating. We will now feel her joints to make sure that she has no pain. So you can see, just gently moving it, bending at the wrists, and then applying pressure here on the hind legs and gently lifting them from the table and moving them around. Once you have checked all the joints, we will now inspect her paw pads. So she definitely needs some trimming around the paw pads, and inspect the nails. Her nails are very long, so we need to clip them for sure. Some dogs have hind view claws, like she does over there. There it is. That's a hind view claw. Always make sure that you know where they are, as sometimes if you are unaware of them, you can sometimes clip them off with a clipper, and nobody wants that. Now we need to feel the anal glands, if they are full or need emptying. The anal glands are located at the 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock position below the rectum. Apply slight pressure. If you feel a little bulge, that means that they are full and need emptying, which we will do in the bathing stage. Lastly, inspect the genitals for any matting, excessive discharge or abnormalities.